This video is intended to demonstrate the use of the SoundCheck Pro application on the Sony smartwatch. So first, you gotta have a Sony smartwatch. If you've got that, then the first thing I can show you is the widget. So the SoundCheck app will display different volume channels, and you can take a look through all the different volume channels that are available when you've configured them to display using the Sony Smart Connect app. This feature is available in both the SoundCheck and the SoundCheck Pro application. So now I'd like to show you how you can change the volume using the SoundCheck Pro application. So here's the icon for SoundCheck. We can open the SoundCheck app, and now it's as simple as pressing the green button for plus and the red button for minus if I want to change the volume setting for that channel. And if I want to change channels, it's a simple slide for me to look at the alarms, to look at the in-call volume. Any volume that's configured to display in the widget can also be changed plus or minus by the SoundCheck Pro application.